The lighthouse light had disappeared, and the little boat couldn't find its way home. The little boat sailed slowly across the blue sea. It had been traveling all day, and now it was time to go home. Usually, the lighthouse on the little island made everything easy. Its bright light showed the little boat exactly where to go. But tonight, something was wrong. The lighthouse was completely dark. Where am I supposed to go? The little boat wondered. It looked to the left. Nothing but waves. It looked to the right. Only clouds, birds, and the endless sea. The little boat felt a little scared. Then, just as it was about to turn around, it noticed something near the lighthouse. A little rope was hanging from the tower. Maybe that's why the light is gone. The little boat sailed closer. It reached out with its little flag and pulled the rope. Once, nothing happened. Twice, still nothing. One more time, the little boat pulled as hard as it could. Pop! The rope came loose. Suddenly, the lighthouse lit up with a warm, bright glow. Its light spread across the blue water, showing the little boat the way home. The little boat smiled and sailed toward the shining light. It finally understood something important. You don't have to be big to make a big difference. Sometimes, even a little boat can help bring back the light.